Hello. This assignment is made for school purpose for the assignment of database and information systems. We had to find a company which we had to investigate and made a flowchart of. So I will just start with a short background information of the company that I investigate and then explain my flowchart and the information requirements. Yummy Yummy is a Japanese all-you-can-eat restaurant. They started in the spring of 2013 and started expanding a little bit. They have place for approximately 80 people in the restaurants and serve over 100 dishes. They are open 7 days a week and they try to be open all the days in the year. I will start with explaining the flowchart. I choose to investigate the customer service process, and that's what I want to explain. The first step where it all starts is when the guests enter the restaurant. The waiter will come to them and welcome them and ask if they have made a reservation. If yes, then they check in the reservation book and see which table number the customers got, and then they will guide them to their table. When the guests take place, they can order a drink. Well, the waiters then write down the drinks and take the order and put it into the computer. When they put it into the computer, they use the IDs of the drinks, because otherwise you have to put every kind of drink per name into the computer and add the price. Well, when it's put into the computer, the bar receives the notification that they have to make a drink. They see the drink IDs and know what to do. They will start making the drinks and then give a notification to the waiters so they can bring the drinks. Once the drinks are brought to the guests, they will probably already be able to order the food. They then give the list with the orders to the waiters, who can put it in the computer afterwards. They then again use the IDs of the food instead of the names of every dish. Then the kitchen receives the notification again, and they will start preparing the meals and give a sign to the waiters when it's ready. There will be a card with the dish name and the table number with the food, so the waiters know which table they have to go to. Then they will bring and serve the food to the guests who can eat it, and actually this process can be repeated, because if they want to order another round of food, they just do every step again. Once the guests are done with eating, they can ask for the bill, and the waiters will bring the bill and the guests will pay. They can then choose to pay with card or with cash. Once they are done with paying, the waiters will get the table out of the system and press how the customers have paid with cash or with card. Now I'm going on to the information requirements. Well, the guest name is being used when they welcome the guest and ask for the drinks, so they can see whether they made a reservation or not. Then they will see the table number in the book and the date and time. They have to use this for the orders and in the end also for the bill. The drinks that they use, there's a list with the drinks, and then they can see the prices and they can order the drinks at the waiters. The drink IDs are being used in the computer, and the computer system works, and it's the same for the dishes. The guests can see the kind of dishes, the price per dish, and the price per one dinner. They will use this to decide where to eat and how much they eat and order. The food IDs are then again used to put the food into the system and made for the kitchen. When they ask the bill, all this information is being used. and the customers can pay